OSCR stock analysis, massive update from Monday and onwards. Am I buying now? We'll be breaking this down in this quick 1-minute video. Nobody else in the world has done well over 45,000 videos for 5 years. That's what I've done. You know, I've been documenting everything on my YouTube channel, especially with OSCR Health. This is just a bearish freaking market. I wanted to take it lower if I saw a double break. That's why I had this waiting sign. I never saw that, so it just kind of pumped. But honestly, man, I'm really not biasing myself off of that bullish bias. Because if I zoom out, look and see, you can see the bearishness that we have here. Broke structure lower. It's just that there's a lot of stuff around here, but last thing that I'll be doing is randomly buying. Well, I'll definitely be bullish if I start seeing more greeneries above, but certainly like when we're here sitting, if there is a double break beneath this low, I'm looking to take it down. Not gonna randomly sell, but if there is a double break, I'm looking to take it further lower. So that's my OSCR analysis. This is obviously not financial advice, and if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, then just click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.